I don't want you to suffer. Eh? Hey, just tell me whatever it is, I will clean it and I will do it for you. Eh? I have 3 million in my account. Hey, what is that? Eh? If you stay well, I have 3 million in my account. And I'm planning to buy a car, but I promise you that as I'm buying my own car, I will buy your own car. Anything you want me to do for you, I'm even planning to get a robot. So that when you see your period, the robot will use the hand and shake. I don't want you to do anything. Eh? Did you see how much I love you? See, I promise to do everything for you. I will buy phone for you, iPhone, will buy car, buy everything.
iPhone?
Now, iPhone 11 Pro Max. Eh?
I like that phone.
You like the phone? Oh. What about this hair that is red and
bone straight.
Bone straight hair. I'll buy it for you.
Can't wait.
So I'll buy 15 pieces, different color, black, red, and the rest of them. Eh? Do you want it? Like this car that is red, G-Wagon. Have you entered G-Wagon? I promise to buy it for you. I have money. I have money. Don't. Stop. I've told you anything you want to do. Tell me, I'll do it for you. Anything, I can even bet you.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you hear me? I can do anything for you. I can take you around the world. See, let me tell you, even though you want to go and shit, don't shit. Call me. I will go and shit for you. You want me to? I will wait for you. Anything you want, I will do for you. If you want me to kill myself for you to be alive, I will do that.
No, don't kill yourself.
I will not do that because I love you. But there is a little problem. And I'm planning to sell my phone because of that problem.
Why? Why do you want to sell your phone?
See, let me tell you why I want to sell my phone. All this thing is for your own good, though. Because if I got this money, that is for you. See, now, why I want to sell my phone is because if I sell my phone and I will not use that 20,000 to go and activate the account, so that I can be able to withdraw the 43,000. That was what bank demanded. Do you understand? 43 million.
For 3 million?
Yes.
Serious? And now 20,000. Pay 20,000 to get for 3 million. It's not bad.
So that's why I want to sell my phone, so that I can withdraw the 43 million. Me and you will enjoy, and I will buy you a car from there, buy you a house, buy you an iPhone 11 Pro Max.
Don't sell your phone.
I should not sell my phone.
So I don't have 20,000.
This thing is for our own good, though. If you do it, it will favor us. So think about it.
You know what? You don't sell your phone. You know what to do. See, I'm going to steal my sister's money. I know where she used to keep her money.
That's my baby.
Yes, I'll bring the money for you tomorrow.
Is that you so get Priska?
Huh? When you get,
she's my sister.
So each is home. Hey! Alarm is heavy granny. Alarm is heavy granny. No send is no. I is no come. Where did you walk? On is no come. Where did you walk?
No, that's not what you heard. I said I will actually borrow money from you.
Oh.
Look, I was in the difference between stole, steal, thief, and the borrow. Huh?
I don't know where you're carrying this thing to. See, let me tell you, this is outside. Don't come and embarrass me. I'm a very gentleman.
Embarrass. Let me worry. You want to know what kind of my hisagi? Or this you know, my charm, when he says, what kind of my hisagi? I know me, I came on. No, you yeah, give me, don't do it. He makes come up again. You wonder, saw her, saw. Then I will angel. I will have Quensu. A Quensu in human form. Give me asking, no, let me do this. I will carry America. America will come to you. I'll take you to America. America will take you out. Nay, this week. If not, I got to check machine gas. Oh, one animation, no gas, I get Urugi.
I'm even I didn't serious now. Baby, eh?
On yes, you go 43 million account here. Where the whole bloch? On your way 419. Scammer! Give Mama near car need you as a hobby. I can't get business. Please call him ready. Please call him ready. Only
I'm some more kickball scam. Eh? I'm more kickball scam.
But when I scammer. Oh, scam. Scam. Oh, hell. Only he, Priska.
This is the running the person involved. Don't you know it's the running outfit? It's skates and stuff. People, have you not seen Chef Choma? She wore it on her Instagram page.
She was what? Get Akeshi mana. Eh? But I don't get deceive what I get. Just say what I hear. Just say what I hear. Just say what I hear. What things was one? You better we give you one akere o maka we manjala ya fone ge e kola kala tipa bacha e kola kala tipa bacha kala tipa bacha won wan we choice scam you choice scam won wan onyohi 43 minutes palagi you see the ihuna 10 naira yambo asiri enye gi 1 million ko afie Priska
when no 20,000 na ge jiji jonwon na Christmas go nyo la bege what I can mama moto nya ra ise bo se e me pele ge ne ti ya ga sare ha won wa lam bi se we na to ta he mo ogode atota re ise ba de ma kwa na mom ge mo Jesus wonyem ge sem ge blame na Christmas ke ge blame God mama wonyem kem na blame wal ji o de ka Jesus o na o birthday ka for ofo wonyo me invite o de ko yigare se ba de ho mo abo bi o so ka ga fe after all no after la ya no wo me to ma try ko e bo so le mo ge wo is well se ba de